Talking to a stranger about your problems, telling them your deepest, darkest secrets, and not knowing if they will understand your pain or not, is the hard thing to do, and it's hard for them to see. Therapy developing in children going through what they go through. The idea of therapy being necessary for children is a growing system that needs to be enhanced in order to make many improvements towards their emotional and mental health. Not only have I researched the topic, but also know others who have benefited from the many known objectives of therapy. Today I'll talk about what therapy is and the different types of therapy, the benefits of therapy, and lastly, the outcomes and effects of therapy. First, we need to understand what therapy is. By definition, therapy is the process of meeting with a therapist to resolve problematic behaviors, beliefs, feelings, relationship issues, and/or somatic responses. Therapy can be necessary for a lot of individuals as it is used for a way to get everything out and possibly cope depending on the person and situation. The different types of therapy recommended for children are play therapy, and this type of therapy focuses on providing a safe environment for children to feel comfortable and well protected. This allows them to express their experiences through play with toys or drawing or however they feel to wish to play. Interpersonal therapy is another type. This type of therapy focuses on relationships and communication and relatableness to others. With this type of therapy, children learn to think through their experiences and learn to understand why they communicate the way they do. Another form of therapy is group therapy. Some groups focus on practice with the issues at hand and how to handle them, while other groups focus on encouragement from peers on talking about your problems and letting it all out. Now that you know what therapy is and the different types of therapy, let's go into talking about the benefits of therapy on children. In an article from Insight into Action Therapy, they say, as a busy parent, it is difficult to manage all of your children's needs and wants, including having to get them from the orthodontist appointments to ballet classes to soccer practices to tutoring sessions, and with everything on your plate, the idea of bringing your child to play therapy may seem like one appointment too many. Play therapy can teach children how to process their emotions in ways they may not be able to express through words or other ways. It also brings a decrease in undesirable behavior and an increase in regulation of the behavior. It brings a sense of independence and creative thinking, and leaving them with a greater sense of control over their own emotions and thoughts. An improvement of social skills and increase in respect for others becomes present because of the establishment of trust among the child and the therapist. Stronger relationships with family members, because at the time the family is the most important thing in a child's life. There is an assurance that the child is not alone and that they have someone in their life who supports them through all of their unknown and possibly confusing feelings that they are experiencing. We've talked about what therapy is and the benefits now. It is time to discuss the effects that it has. The research group Effective Child Therapy says cognitive behavioral therapy can improve symptoms in more enduring fashion by teaching youth valuable skills that may reduce symptoms and also risk for reoccurring problems after treatment has ended. Therapy has been known to be very effective for many individuals, and seeing that each and every one of them has made progress in their own way is great evidence and that therapy has a great impact on the lives of our youth. Therapy has been known to minimize the anxiety levels among children and has been known to help them do better in situations they had trouble understanding before. Children, after having went through therapy, have been better known to be able to express themselves better. Therapy has boosted the emotional and physical health of the youth by boosting self-esteem and respect and confidence. That concludes my discussion on therapy. Let us review. Therapy is a process that occurs to resolve some problematic situations occurring in the person's life. Using the many different types, we can analyze the benefits and effects. Therapy has many benefits to the youth today and has been known to bring many greater days into their life. Therapy has been proven to have many effects and is known to have more positive effects than negative. The idea of having someone to talk to and help you be able to understand what you're struggling with can be helpful to the children who are confused on who they are and what they go through. I just hope that everyone who is struggling with their battles seeks some form of help or something so they can be able to communicate and understand what they are going through and the things that are weighing them down. Thank you.